Lecture 5. Using ChatGPT for data cleaning and analysis. Working with messy spreadsheets. You're not alone. Whether it's inconsistent names, strange date formats, or missing values, most of us waste hours fixing data. In this lecture, you will learn how to turn ChatGPT into your smart data assistant, how to clean, format, summarize, and even generate Excel formulas without writing a single line of code. We will use a realistic example and walk through every step so you can start doing this today. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to clean up messy data using smart prompts, spot and fix duplicates, missing entries, and inconsistent formatting. Use ChatGPT to create Excel formulas for summaries and filters. Save hours of manual effort with structured input and clear instructions. Start with a messy spreadsheet. Let's look at this raw data. Here you can see. Typical of what you might find in a sales report, as it has columns as name, sales in dollars, date, and region. You will notice the same person entered multiple times, inconsistent region names, and different date formats. One entry is even missing the sales value. If you are doing this manually, you would have to go row by row. Ask ChatGPT to clean the data. Instead, paste this table into ChatGPT with a clear prompt. You can just copy that and go to ChatGPT, paste it in here, and you can just write a prompt in here as, here is a sales data table. So what it should do as, please, number 1, fix inconsistent name capitalization, and on second, convert all dates to year, month, and date format. And number 3, make all region names consistent as capitalize first letter only. And number 4, remove duplicates and press enter. So ChatGPT responded with the following and more refined table. Here you can see. Now it's readable, deduplicated, and ready for analysis. You save 15 to 30 minutes with a single prompt. Summarize the data automatically. Let's go one step further and ask ChatGPT by giving it a prompt in here as, here is the clean version of my sales data. Can you summarize total sales per region and highlight any anomalies and press enter. So here you can see total sales per region is North has $1,050 sale, South has $200, and anomalies identifies as Sarah Peter. This one has no sales value, so this will be considered as an anomaly. This kind of summary helps to spot problems early without power tables or filters. Ask for a formula and understand it. Now let's automate reporting. Ask ChatGPT by giving it a prompt in here as, write an Excel formula to calculate total sales for North region, assuming region is in column D and sales in column B, and press enter. ChatGPT explains that it adds all sales values in column B where column D says North. No memorizing syntax, no trial and error. You understand what's happening and why. Why this works? This works because ChatGPT doesn't just fix your data, it helps you think through the logic. You're guiding it with simple prompts and getting real, usable solutions. Over time, you will know what to ask and how to ask it faster. You just saw how to clean a dataset, fix formatting, summarize insights, and create formulas, all using ChatGPT. This is not about replacing Excel, it's about making Excel easier. With clear prompts and a few minutes, you can clean and analyze data without code or stress.